Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to do a social media design flyer. So right away, if you are new to this channel and you have not hit on that subscribe button, please, I would like you to hit on that subscribe button, click the like button, and also make sure to click the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop videos of this sort on my channel. And also I'd like you to share this video. So right away we are going to duplicate this design using Pixellab. So if you have the app installed on your phone, go right away now to Pixellab workspace. Let's get started. So right away we'll go to click on the three dotted line on the top right hand corner of your screen and go to image size. So the width will be 2611, while the height will be 3624. So we have something like this. So I'm going to take a white background, pure white. Alright, so right away I'll be bringing on my shape. Let me change the color so that you see it well. But before we do that, I would like us to go back to our image size. Where we have 36, let's put 32. So we'll be using something like this. So I'll bring on my shape now, give it a black color. For the radius, I will increase the radius to 10. Alright, so I'll just edit. So that radius, I feel like increasing it again to about 20. Okay, to something like this. So now we'll go to my texture to click on to import an image. So this is the image I'll be importing. So I'll click on this ratio here, this 1:1 ratio. That's what I'll be clicking on, this one. This one here. Okay, so I have my 1:1. I'll click OK. So this is what I have. So now I'll come to my 30 date. For the y-axis, I'll put it at 180. I'll go back to my shape to bring in another shape. This one now, make sure I put the radius at 20 again. Alright, so I'm going to give this one a gradient color. So I'll give it a color of this sort. I'll just flip this bars. So as for this one, just bring a little further, click on OK. I think I should give the other one a white color. This one, I think it should be white, something like this. Okay. Let me adjust this one a little. Let me put it here. Alright, I think this is okay. Okay, so today is Friday. I'll use my text tuner and type thank God. Thank God it's. Alright, so the font I'll be using here. This is the font I'll be using. Bright Melody Display. If you don't have this font, you can download and install in your Pixellab. There's a video on my channel. Just go to my videos and scroll back. It's a video I made on how to download and install fonts for free in your Pixellab. Just check the description of this video, you'll find that video there. Click OK. So I don't like this black color, it doesn't suit here. Let me try and bring it down a bit. Alright, so that line spacing, I will reduce the line spacing to -21. So if you are still watching up to now, I'd like you to like this video, subscribe, and endeavor to share. So which color will I be using there? I'll be using green, this green color. That's what I'll be using. Let me increase it a bit. Okay, something like this. Alright, so I'll copy, type Friday. One of the reasons you have to subscribe to this video is because of the free explanation I'm giving. Yeah, you have the opportunity to get this explanation from other channels. So just hit on that subscribe button so that you get more videos that will help your way through smartphone graphic designing. Thank God it's Friday. Alright, so let me just put a little write-up there. Now I don't have any write-up to do, I just want to put a quote. I'll click on this quote bar here, this one. This quote to this one here, click on it. And for me, I choose from any quote of my choice. Let me take this one. I'll use this font. The font I'll use, if you don't have, you can go and download and install Montserrat Medium. Okay, the color should be pure black. So I'll reduce the place here. And which alignment will I be using? I'm using the left alignment. And again, that size is too much. Reduce the size to this value. So now I will reduce the line spacing. Alright, let me increase the size a bit. So if you are watching video I have not understood anything, that's the purpose for the comment section. You can just throw in your comment there, or you find my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. You can get to me privately and I will get all your questions answered. Alright, so we have something like this. Let me put in my contact details. As for this one, I will give it an orange color. This, let me take this. Okay, the latest. Something like this. Alright, so that's why I've just put in my contact detail. Make sure to close so that they won't be distorted from their original position. So right away, that background is so plain, just want to do a brief decoration there. So I'll still come back to my text tool. I'll just leave it like that. Then I'll go to these fonts. Autograph personal only, autograph personal use only. This is the font here. This one, this is the font. Make sure you download and install this one. Alright, so I will enlarge this font. We go to okay. So now I'm sure it is at the back end. I'll go to opacity. to the opacity tool, reduce the opacity to 10. Copy this, send it at the back, place here, make sure I lock. Alright, this has to be big, this one has to be, let me send it here, has to be big. Alright, so now just shift these ones up. Alright, thank God it's Friday. Okay, so I just want to add a design. I'll go to my shape tool, choose a circle shape, I reduce the opacity to 0, come to my stroke, increase it to 40. Stroke opacity is the stroke opacity. The stroke color now, this is what I will use as the stroke color. So I'll just reduce this one like this. I'll place it here. Alright, so I'll come to my opacity tool, I'll reduce to 30. So I'll copy this, go back to my shape tool, I change the color to green. Yeah, so as for the opacity, this one I will increase the opacity, place this here. Alright, let me bring the social media icon. So these are my social media icons. I don't know how I do it now. Let me just reverse, change the color to white. Alright, so what's my name? Make sure the way align at the center. Alright, so just bring this down a bit. Then now the last thing, I'll just put my logo. So okay, so this is the logo of agency. Yeah, so that is it. So if you need the resources of this design, you can get to me. I'll provide you the necessary resources so that you can try yours. So make sure that you like this video, you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop interesting videos of this sort, you get notified. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.